Good day, everyone. So let's talk about the three ethical theories of teleology, deontology, and virtue ethics. What is teleology? Teleology or consequentialism focuses on the outcomes or consequences of actions. According to this theory, an action is morally right if it leads to the best possible results or maximize overall good. So, the most common form of teleology is utilitarianism, which promotes actions that maximize happiness or well-being for the greatest number of people. Example is nakakita tayo ng 100,000 na nakalagay sa loob ng bag sa may tabing kalsada at according sa teleology, the ethical decision would be to use that money in a way that creates the most good. You might decide to donate it to a charity because it would help more people rather than spending it on yourself. So, ang sinasabi po dyan is parang mas pipiliin po natin ang mas nakakarami at mas nangangailangan na ibigay yung pera or i-donate kesa sa ating pansariling pangangailangan. So, paano nga ba natin to mahahandle if ganito ang mangyayaring sitwasyon? If lying would result in a better overall outcome for more people, teleology would justify the lie because the focus is on the end result, not the action itself. The second one theory is deontology. Deontology focuses on duties and rules. According to this theory, some actions are inherently right or wrong, regardless of their consequences. So, ito po ay nagbe-base sa actions, sa moral rules or duties, kung saan pumapaloob yung honesty, fairness, or respect for rights. Sabi nga po ng philosopher na si Immanuel Kant, is a key figure associated with deontological ethics. In the same situation where you find 100,000 at dito naman po sa deontologists would argue that you should try to find the rightful owner of the money because duty po natin na magbalik ng mga nawawalang bagay if alam naman po natin hindi talaga siya sa atin or alam naman natin na nawawala siya. Regardless of whether keeping it might benefit you or other more. So, dito naman po, mahahandle naman po natin ang sitwasyon na to kasi mamimili ka naman po kasi dito if magsisinungaling ka ba or hindi. Sabi nga po sa deontology would prohibit lying even if it could produce better consequences. The action itself is wrong. Last three ethical theories is virtue ethics. What is virtue ethics? Virtue ethics focuses on the character of the person acting rather than on rules or consequences. According to this theory, ethical behavior stems from developing virtuous traits like honesty, courage, compassion, and wisdom. A virtuous person will naturally do the right thing guided by their character. Same situation again is, di ba, makakakita tayo ng 100k sa tabing daan. Sa virtue ethics naman po is based on virtues like honesty and integrity, you might try to return the money or use it in a way that reflects generosity and kindness. Di ba po, mapapatanong ka na lang sa virtue ethics is, what would an honest and generous person do? Ano nga po ba talaga ang mga ginagawa ng tao? So, ma-handle din po natin ang situation na to sa virtue ethics would evaluate whether lying aligns with the virtues of honesty or wisdom. If lying contradicts these virtues, then it is not the right action regardless of the consequences or duties.